With celebrating smaller artists and card makers, we have a different collection of cards than you'll see pretty much anywhere else in London, let alone in parts of southwestern Ontario. Magpies is a specialty store celebrating Canadian cards, Canadian print done by Canadian artists with some highlighted other artists as well. All of our artists give back to their home communities using their art in some form or another. So we also carry local pottery, souvenirs, and giftware that's mostly Canadian based, and if it's not Canadian based, it's fair trade, ethically sourced with a cause. The art community is a really small community. We celebrate 9 local London artists who we carry, plus several from southwestern Ontario and all over Canada. And then we have a highlighted First Nations section as well that we celebrate, working with more than 22 different First Nations artists. The majority of our cards are blank on the inside, so you can take the time to write whatever messaging that you want and write from the heart. Handwritten and thoughtful, it's you're taking time out of your busy day to do something that other people don't normally get to see. We get bills in the mail that you don't necessarily want, so having a beautiful card sent to you, it's thought-provoking. It's those moments of meditation of saying somebody else is thinking of me at a different point in time.